Come here, come here. Oh, kiss nga. Okay.
I think, what are you doing here? I think, huwag ka na matulog.
Here.
Matulog sa akin.
No, not there.
Why are you here?
I want to stay here.
Why?
I want to stay with you.
I'm staying until Monday. Do you want me to stay here for good? For a long time? Why?